Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Oh yes, Terra Classic coin can hit $1 with Binance and Coinbase. Yeah, Binance alone has been really supporting this coin. Binance are even controlling about 55% of Terra Classic coin on a daily basis. Now with Coinbase, we believe, of course, these two are one of the biggest crypto exchange in the world. Binance have also come out to say we will keep supporting this coin. Binance founder CZ have openly tweeted that they are not even selling their Terra Classic coin and they are fully behind supporting this coin. Now, Terra Classic is expected to really increase in price before the end of 2025. So many people believe this coin can hit $1. Right now, Terra Classic is still trading with about 3 zeros. Now, if Terra Classic hits just 1 cent, that simply means investing right now at the time of recording this with $100, you'll be earning about $10,000 profit. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And in case you want to buy or invest on a coin, please remember the golden rule: never invest what you cannot afford to lose. Now, with Binance, so many people believe that Terra Classic is definitely going to pump because Binance founder CZ have also motivated so many Terra Classic community that they need to hold. That is why you can see that the staking of Terra Classic have really increased. Last year, Terra Classic staking crossed 1 trillion mark, 1 trillion coins. Over 1 trillion coins was staked last year. But before the launch of the 1.2% tax bond, Terra Classic staking was too low. Even the burning was very, very low. But after that introduction, you can see so many people started burning their coins. A lot of people started staking their coin, especially in the area where they know Binance founder, they are all buying and holding their coin. They're not even selling. So most time, you see Binance talking about Terra Classic. Everybody wants to hold their coin. Everyone believes this coin can hit 1 cent, 1 penny. What about if this coin hit 10 cents? Some will say, what about this coin hit $1? But I still know that one thing I understand about crypto industry is whether you gain 100% profit, that's still a good return on investment for me. But I believe Binance and Coinbase can really bring change. Right now, Coinbase have not listed Terra Classic. But for those of you who don't know, Coinbase earlier listed this coin for the crash of Terra Classic last year, about around April. Then Coinbase removed Terra Classic. But a lot of people has been asking, Terra Classic community has been asking Coinbase to please list this coin back. And this time around, you need to support the 1.2% tax bond. Now, with Coinbase and Binance, we believe these two can really push the price of Terra Classic to really gain a lot. And with the support from other top crypto exchanges, Terra Classic is expected to hit $1. And I believe before the end of 2025 or even before then, yes, Terra Classic can really hit. It depends on how the developers will keep pushing Terra Classic coin. Once again, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.